This is for all you self-employed people who said, hey, you know what? I think I'm ready for a solo 401k plan and I'm starting to shop. Hi, it's Stuart Robertson, CEO of ShareBuilder 401k. I want to take you through some features so that when you buy the plan, you're getting what you need, because it can be a little nerdy and technical if you don't know some of these things. I'm going to try to make it really easy for you. We call them self-administered versus fully administered solo 401k plan. But what it really means to you is like, what features do you want from your solo 401k plan? The first thing to know is it just you? Or you can include multiple owners or spouse. Remember, once you have employees, you'll get a different type of 401k plan. But if it's just you, so far so good. What we call a self-administered plan probably fits you. If you have what we call the self-administered plan, the really simple one, it's all on one digital interface. It's super easy to add your contributions, all those sort of things. It's a little more complicated, but still pretty easy if you have a fully administered plan. You're basically gonna have two sites because you're both the employer and the employee. So it kind of breaks that up and you have two sites to kind of manage different aspects. As the employee, you're picking your funds, employer contributions are going to the other one. So it's basically kind of taking that high-end 401k plan and allowing you to use it. Do you want access to a loan? If the answer is yes, you probably don't want a self-administered 401k plan, you want the fully administered plan. And then the other thing is, do you think you're gonna be putting over $250,000 rolling money in or getting there quickly? In which case, there's this Form 5500, it's an IRS form that gets filed. Your tax accountant can do it, but there is a charge there. So it may make more sense to get the fully featured solo 401k plan. And a couple things to remember is if you're paying those account service fees, admin fees, those are tax deductible for your business. So nothing to be too scared about, and your tax savings and those sort of things should far outweigh those costs. Couple final details to think about. Are you a person who likes to pick their own stocks and bonds and those sort of things from the universe of stocks and bonds out there? Or do you like a curated lineup that simplifies how you choose? It might include model portfolios and target date funds. If your answer is, I really like to pick from the world out there, you're gonna look for a self-administered offering that allows that. Many don't. But if you're not a sophisticated investor, there's also self-administered ones that have a curated lineup with model portfolios and target date funds. The fully administered ones tend to usually be curated lineup. Self-administered can be both. So that's a good thing there. Those are things to think about. Hope that's helpful. Hope that lets you ask the right questions so you get the right solo 401k plan to meet your retirement tax needs and are on your way to a nice, comfy retirement. Subscribe to us. We have blogs on our site that can help. All this stuff is below. Take a look and look forward to helping you out in the future. Take care now.